Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, it's a clean with me. I'm gonna be doing a thorough cleaning of my living room and my kitchen. If you are in need of some cleaning motivation, be sure to watch the full video. We're not doing no previews or anything. We're getting straight into the video, no time wasted. Starting off by cleaning up my kitchen. I didn't clean the kitchen the night before, so we're gonna clean up the countertops. I'm running low on Lysol disinfecting multi-surface spray, y'all. I need to go shopping for cleaning supplies. I usually have about like 3 to 2 bottles of the multi-surface cleaner, but I don't know what happened. I guess I've been doing a lot of cleaning and we ran out. Y'all, excuse the heavy breathing in my background and the noise in my background. I'm a mom after all, so my toddler just wants to sit really close to me and breathe into this phone. The life of a mom. So guys, if you've been keeping up with my channel, recently we have hit a milestone here on Sincerely Shamsa. Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful for each and every one of you guys, as always and forever. We have made it to 3K subscribers. Alhamdulillah, that is so exciting. When I saw that 2 changed to a 3, I was like, yes. Alhamdulillah. I'm grateful to you guys. Thank you to everyone that has clicked on that subscribe button and joined the Sincerely Shamsa YouTube family. Over here on Sincerely Shamsa, we have a little bit of everything going on here. We have a little bit of cooking, we have cleaning, we have vlogs, we got everything. And I don't know, I just can't seem to stick to one thing. Like, I don't know, it's just not fun to me. So I'm just all over the place, and I hope that you guys like it. I don't get a lot of views, but Alhamdulillah, I have reached 3K, and that is something to celebrate. And inshallah, one day, my 3K subscribers will actually take the time to watch my videos. But for now, Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful for you guys. I have been recently uploading lots of YouTube shorts, so I hope that you guys like the YouTube shorts more. Actually, that's where the majority of my views come from, YouTube shorts. You guys seem to like the shorts better compared to the long form videos. But inshallah, I'm just gonna be uploading both of them. I'm gonna upload shorts, I'm gonna upload long form. I find the shorts to be a lot easier to edit compared to the long form videos. The shorts don't take me long. I've just been so busy lately, as you guys know of. I started college, so being in college, kids, and inshallah soon I will share with you guys what else I have going on in my life, and new adventures starting soon. So inshallah, hopefully everything works out for me, but I will try my best to upload videos for you guys, and I hope that you guys continue to stay entertained. And inshallah, hopefully we get more people to join us, and we continue to grow here on YouTube. And thank you for your continued support. If you're not subscribed, and if this is the first time you're seeing any of my videos, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, be sure to share my content, like by clicking on the share button. Copy the link and share it with your friends and families, or any of your social media platform. That way we can get more people on here. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And I'm doing this video at night, y'all, and still I continue to have a lot of noise in my background. So I don't know what this is gonna be over with, but life of a mom. That is laundry that I'm putting away in that trash bag. I had so much laundry to do that weekend. I was washing all our blankets, all the kids' blankets, towels, everything. I had to go to the laundromat to get that done. Next up, I've moved on to decluttering and organizing the shoe closet. Yeah, like we had so much shoes in this house. Some of these shoes don't even fit my kids anymore, so they have outgrown it. And my kids are the type, they don't want to wear what their older siblings wore, so we've just been buying them new shoes because they will complain. Like, they will complain until your ears fall off. So now I just decided to just declutter it and just keep the stuff that they actually are wearing. And like each person has 2 to 3 pairs of shoes now, like less shoes compared to all the other stuff we had. Some of these shoes are like work shoes. When I used to work at Amazon, the steel toe shoes that they gave me, I have it, like two pairs of that. I still have it with me. But yeah, just declutter here. I told the kids to help me out. At this point, I was getting tired. Like, I'm noticing the older I get, like, I'm starting to get tired. Like, tired easily. Like, I remember back in the day, I could deep clean. I used to, like, deep clean my whole apartment without taking a break. And now, I'm just like, oh, I'm so tired. But anyways, we got that done. And now, it's time to relax. So, I'm gonna turn on my bahur, get the house smelling good, and just relax and call it a day. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and it motivated you and you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and be sure to share the video with your friends and families. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And if you're a returning subscriber, give the video a thumbs up. Alright? Thanks for watching and thanks for your support. See you next time. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.